In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Elementor with Tutor LMS. By the end, you'll be able to design clean, custom course pages using Elementor's visual builder while pulling in real Tutor LMS content. First, make sure you have the right tools active on your WordPress site. You'll need Tutor LMS, either the free version or Pro, and Elementor, where the free version is perfectly fine for this setup. Then install and activate the Tutor LMS Elementor add-ons plugin. This add-on is the bridge between the two systems. It gives you dedicated Tutor LMS widgets inside Elementor so you can place course titles, instructors, curricula, and more with simple drag and drop. If any of these plugins aren't activated, the integration won't appear, so double-check they're all on and up to date before moving forward. Next, let's allow Elementor to edit Tutor LMS content. In your dashboard, go to Elementor, then Settings, and open the General tab. Here, you'll see a list of post types that Elementor can work with. Check the boxes for courses, lessons, quizzes, and assignments so the Elementor editor is available on those content types. If you use tutor course bundles, enable that too. Save your changes. This step is crucial because it tells Elementor to load its editor and widgets whenever you're working with Tutor LMS content. If you skip it, you won't see the Edit with Elementor option where you expect it. Now you're ready to build a course layout. Head to Templates, then Save Templates, and click Add New. Choose Page as the template type and make sure to check the option labeled Tutor LMS Single Course Template. Give your template a clear name so you can find it later, then click Create Template. Inside the Elementor editor, you'll notice a set of Tutor LMS widgets added by the Add-ons plugin. Use these to assemble your single course layout visually. Place the course title, thumbnail, instructor info, curriculum, and other elements exactly where you want them. Adjust spacing, colors, and typography to match your site's style. To recap, activate Tutor LMS Elementor and the Tutor LMS Elementor. Add-ons plugin, enable the relevant post types in Elementor's settings, and create a new template marked as a Tutor LMS single course template. If you don't see the Tutor widgets, confirm the Add-ons plugin is active and your post types are checked. That's it. Your integration is ready for designing beautiful, consistent course pages.